Why does nobody like me? Why do I not fit in? Why do I not feel part of a social circle or a social crowd? If you ask yourself these questions, then I want you to join me in digging a bit deep. Because sometimes when we feel inferior, when we feel inadequate, when we feel like we don't fit in, then actually we give out those vibes. So maybe our facial expressions are such that we're feeling inferior, so we're not smiling. So somebody's perception of us would be they don't want to engage. So it's always important to be aware of our body language as much as what we say. So what I want to do is say to you that next time when you're in a social situation, smile, strike up a conversation with somebody, and just go in. Now, you might get a situation where you don't get the response. Keep trying and keep trying. And sooner or later, you'll find your tribe, because sometimes we won't connect. We're not going to connect with everybody. There are going to be people that we just don't connect with because we're not meant to, and I call the people that we're meant to connect with our tribe. They're our tribes people. We really relate, and so keep going, but remember, smile, interact, let them know that you want to connect too.